Good morning, everyone in the world. Here tearing down Foundries, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We got 4 of the buildings. Well, Corbin tore down 4 of the fucking buildings. We sorted out all the shit. We got 1 major fucking building left, this big bitch right here. And all this shit. We're sorting out all the garbage from the metal, from the wood, from the cinder block, from the wire, from the whatever the fuck. A fucking disaster. Tearing down hell. Keep me busy for another couple fucking months. You people enjoy your Friday, May 6th. Peace out from Milwaukee, Wisconsin.